What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the Ghouls Gaming and Tech channel. We have the final piece to the collection. We have the Apple Watch Ultra right here. I've been looking forward to this because it's a new design from the previous Apple Watch. So right now I have the Apple Watch SE. It's great, it's not bad, it gets the job done, but there's nothing special to it. You know, it just feels like a regular Apple Watch to me. I've been waiting to get something new from Apple and we finally got it. So without any further ado, we're gonna get into this, but before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're appreciating any of this content and any of it is helpful, or you just like my bubbly personality. And if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button, it's definitely appreciated. We're gonna get into this right now. Look at this, we got the tabs. Okay, let's open the tabs if it doesn't give me too much issues. Peel that up, peel this out, and we have some graphics on here. The mountains, you know, this is for the travelers, the crazy, you know, sports enthusiast. What is this? Hold on, is Apple giving me goodies? Come on, Apple, why put this presentation in here for this thing if it's just some, you know, instructions or terms and conditions or whatever else? So in the box you see it shows this little pamphlet. You have the Alpine Loop, the ocean, and the trail. I have the Alpine. Should be a pretty good one, so I'm excited to throw that bad boy on. Let's see. Open your band box. Follow the steps to attach your band. You know, you attach one band, you attach them all. Put on your Apple Watch, press and hold the side button to turn it on. We know that. So this is just setup stuff. Okay, we know how to set up an Apple Watch. We know the logistics of that. This is a new thing, the action button. Configure to mark a waypoint, start, backtrack, control a workout, begin a dive, so on and so forth. So we're gonna get well acquainted with the action button later. But this is just an unboxing, so I'm not gonna get too crazy into it. All right, I like the little pamphlet, I like the little book, and here is the box or the watch itself, and here is my band. So let me move this stuff out the way. Pull tabs. I forget. You're helping me out, Apple, with your pull tabs. All right, and there you have it, the Alpine Loop. More informational stuff, more instructions on how to connect it. But like I said, you connected one Apple Watch, you connected them all. We're gonna peel this out. Nothing on the back. Now look at this Alpine Loop. This thing looks nice. I really like this. It's not the best for sports, obviously, because at least, you know, sports where you're gonna sweat a lot, climbing and all that stuff, hiking, great. But me playing basketball, hell no. I'll probably use one of those or one of these two because I sweat a lot when I play basketball. This won't cut it. This thing will be soggy. I will have to wring it out. Don't want to do that. So I like it, but not for the sports I play. Look at the little Apple Watch SE sitting over here. He knows what's about to happen, but it's okay, my friend. It is okay. We have to upgrade. We can't just slack, stay in the past. I know you want me to, but I can't. Spidey's in the building. I forgot, you know, Spidey's supervising. Hold on, let me bring him into frame. Spidey's supervising everything. He is the official tissue director of everything Ghouls Gaming and Tech. So take it out the box. You have the Apple Watch itself. What's this? You have a threaded cable or braided cable, which is really good. Oh, I like the feel of this. This is a nice little, like, kind of feels like jean material. Let me take this out if it allows me. Gotcha. Take this out. Definitely going to be using this. I like this cable over all of them. You have your Apple Watch Ultra. So you have your crown, your power button or Siri button. Obviously that thing is protected. Let's take this off really quick. I like this little color right here. This actually might go very well with this. Or if I want to get real freaky, this green one right here. I think I'm gonna wear this combo. I like this. This is nice. All right, you have your Siri button, your crown. Obviously, you can scroll through everything. Your power button. Same thing as far as where you place the bands. No difference there. And you have that action button, the speakers, the microphones. You have microphones all around this thing, and then on the back you just have more information about the actual watch itself. This has everything you can think of. This is made of titanium, 49mm titanium and ceramic case, sapphire crystal, GPS, LTE, WR 100 meters. That's for like water resistant or going into water. You have your dive computer, 40 meters, Apple Watch Ultra. I really like this color. So we're gonna turn this on. Boom, and we have action. So I'm gonna let this turn on and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now I have the Apple Watch set up. I put a couple Apple Watch faces on here just so we can kind of go through them. But it's pretty much straightforward like any other Apple Watch as far as the watch faces is concerned. So I really like this one. It really shows off what this watch is for. It's for the extreme, the extra, you know, the guys or girls who want to go above and beyond when it comes to whatever they're doing. So comparing this to this really quick, it kind of looks almost the same size as far as the screen real estate, but you can definitely tell this one is a little bit bigger. It's definitely chunkier than this one, and this is the 44mm Apple Watch SE. Obviously this is 49mm Apple Watch Ultra, and you can see big difference as far as size on this. And I set my action button to start a workout, so it's starting like an outdoor walk. Oh, it's pausing because obviously it's on the charger. So let's end this really quick. So I'm gonna get well acquainted. Oh crap, my bad. I hope that doesn't happen a lot. I'm gonna get well acquainted with this watch. This is $799, so I understand it's not for everyone just on price alone. And then what it offers and what it does. You know, some people will say the price for what you're getting, it's not worth it, $799. But from everything I've seen, reviews, spoken to people about what this watch offers, it definitely kind of makes sense for the price. But everybody is not this extreme when it comes to, you know, fitness, outdoor activities, so on and so forth. So everyone won't need this. If you go with the Apple Watch 8, Series 8, you'll be just fine. This is not for the everyday person. I'm a tech guy, tech nerd. I love upgrading. The fact that this is an all new design, for the most part, that's what really drew me to this. Do I go on hikes or diving or skiing or whatever the case is every day? Nope. Do I do it often? Nope. But eventually, if I do that stuff, I will have the watch to kind of complement those situations. I'm gonna do some kind of, I won't say extreme tests, but I'm gonna do some tests with this thing just to see how well this thing does. But I want to check out all the new features. But this is just the unboxing. Like I said, I have the Alpine Loop. You have the new design on the back of the watch. I really like that, like brown sandish color, and the orange ring around the crown, and this orange highlighted action button. Let me put this on my wrist really quick. This is like a harness for like hikers. So let me put this on my wrist. I'm gonna have, which way did I orientate this thing? Okay, I'm gonna have it on my right wrist because for some reason when I do workouts with the Apple Watch, maybe this one's different, I'll test it out, but for some reason when I do workouts with the Apple Watch, it does not properly scan or read my vitals or whatever, because I usually wear it on my left wrist because I'm right-handed, but I have to wear Apple Watches on my right wrist because I have a tattoo right here, and for some reason the tattoo and the ink, it doesn't allow it to read properly, and it constantly pauses my workout, which is very annoying. So I think I could put this a little tighter. All right, perfect snug fit. How does it look? Boom. Spidey, how does it look? You want one of these? If I could make webs come out of this, you would be so jealous. I know you would. But I really like this thing. Oh, and it also has that always on display, so when the screen is not being used, it should go in like a dark mode, and it lights it up when you're looking at it. And then also with this watch face in particular, if you scroll on here, you get this sweet watch face, which I'm not gonna be using that much because I don't really like that color. But that's gonna be it for this video, you guys. Thank you for tuning in. I definitely appreciate it. Me and Spidey, we keep trying to bring out the hits to you guys. We keep trying to bring out the hits. But let me take, come on. There we go. Put you on the charger because I'm about to use you. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.